Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use 4 ingredients to make 6 different meals in under 5 minutes each. So let's dive in. We're going to need corn tortillas, beans, salad mix, and salsa. You can mix up the kind of tortilla, the kind of beans, the kind of vegetables, and the kind of sauce, and basically have an infinite amount of possibilities. A few things to keep in mind. On your tortillas, make sure they don't contain any oil and that the ingredients are very minimal. So for corn tortillas, you'll basically just have corn and maybe water. And on the beans, make sure they are vegetarian and that they do not contain any lard. And the vegetables, of course, just mix it up. Get different kinds of salad mix. You could even do cooked peppers and onions if you wanted. Your salsa, you could mix it up and have pico de gallo. You could have enchilada sauce. You can make it as easy and ready to go as you want, or you can do some preparing, like sauteing the vegetables if you want to. Okay, let's get into the meals. So number 1, can you guess what this is? Isn't this just the most amazing tostada you have ever seen put together? Using my pictures and just putting it together. Okay, so you probably know how to assemble a tostada, but what we like to do is either bake our corn tortillas in the oven or leave them out to kind of air dry until they get crispy, and then put a layer of refried beans on them, top it with some salad and some salsa, and it's good to go. Next up, we have nachos, and I will let you just take a moment to admire my beautiful assembly that I have put together with pictures. This is super simple to make. You just take your corn tortillas, cut them into triangles, bake them in the oven till they're crispy, and then top them with your favorite bean, your favorite either salad mix, or if you want to be a little more extravagant and do sauteed peppers and onions, go right ahead. And then some salsa on top, and it's just delicious. And at number 3, we have tacos. You can either just warm up your tortillas and have them soft, or you can have them crispy. Put some beans and salsa and some salad in there, or you can have your salad on the side. But however you like, you just use these ingredients to make some tacos. On to number 4. Can you guess what that is? That is a beautiful taco salad. So for this, you will take your corn tortillas and cut them into strips. You can use a pizza cutter that makes it really easy, and bake them in the oven until they're crispy. Fill your bowl with the lettuce and the salsa and the beans, any kind you want, really, and top it with your tortilla strips, and boom, taco salad. And at number 5, we have taquitos. Take your corn tortillas and spread a layer of beans on them, roll them up tight, put them seam down on a baking sheet, and put them in the oven to get crispy. This might take a little longer than 5 minutes, but just watch them until they're crispy and serve it along with a salad. This is really good with either enchilada sauce or salsa. You can dip your taquitos in them, and then you can also pour it over your salad. Last but not least, we have an enchilada bake. So for this one, take a baking pan, put a little sauce on the bottom. For this, I would suggest using enchilada sauce. It's also good with salsa though. And so put a layer on the bottom of your pan, and then layer it with corn tortilla, your beans, sauce, tortilla, beans, sauce, tortilla, beans, and then bake it in the oven until it's nice and bubbly, which will probably, the assembly will be quick, but the baking might take longer than 5 minutes, and then serve it alongside a salad. I have been feeling really tired lately, so it is essential that I keep meals like this in my back pocket, and for you busy people, I wanted to share these in case they might help you.